Let me show you how to design this post in Canva. From settings, choose Instagram post. First, I will work on the background, go to elements, I will choose the shape, then go to color, choose this style. The first color will be black and the second one will be a little lighter. After that, go to elements and select another shape. Make it like this. Make a copy of it by pressing Alt and dragging it. I will put the cup logo here in the middle. Then, I will work on the first image. Remove the background from here. You can use a free AI tool that removes the background from an image, then upload it to Canva. I will change the colors of these shapes. Go to Layers, select the first one, then change its color from here. I will do the same for the second shape. Now, I will work on two flags. From Elements, choose this frame and put it here. Make a copy, then drag and drop the team's flags inside the frames. From text, add the post title Matchday, put it in the center, choose a sports font from the list. From color, make it golden. Make a copy of the text and write verses. Let us make 3 copies of Matchday. From Effects, choose the holo effect. Make 2 copies. Flip them vertically like this and put them in the middle. Go to Layers, send them to the back. Then, copy and paste the match details. Delete unwanted icons. Change the color to white. Make the first sentence bold. For the last part, go to Uploads. Select the stadium image. Remove its background. From Filters, choose this one. The opacity about 22. That is it. Ready to share.